Hello, students. This is Mr. Girding, and I would like to take this opportunity to walk you through some resources that you can use to help you with your African American Inventor project. On the Charles County Public Schools homepage, scroll down until you see Electronic Library. You can click on it. At school, you'll be able to access everything right away without a password by clicking on School Access. But if you're accessing this at home, click on Home Access, like I am. The screen will come up, and the username is Charles County at ccboe.com. And the password is something that I will provide your teachers or you can ask me for, but I'm not allowed to share that in this recording. Click Sign In. Under elementary school, you're going to find one excellent resource that's going to help you a lot. Click on SIRS Discover, and then you can come up here, you can do a keyword search. Let's say your inventor is Garrett Morgan. Type in Garrett Morgan, hit enter, and you will see that it came back with several hits. There's 4 newspapers, 13 magazines, 9 reference articles from encyclopedias, 4 images, and 2 websites. If you click Vexile though to high, it will put the easiest text pieces first, and as you go down, it gets more advanced. You'll see it gives you a grade level recommendation based on the Vexile level. So there's a variety of options, and you can click on any one. It'll take you right in to the source, and it will give you full text, and it gives you thorough information from a lot of resources. This is going to be something very useful to you. Let's go back out. I'm going to close this out. And you're going to see that right next to SIRS Discover is World Book Kids. But you cannot actually access World Book from here. In order to do that, you're going to need that Office 365 information that Ms. Carrington has shared with you. So you're going to log in to your account. And in the upper left corner of the screen, you're going to see this box with like 9 little dots in it. You're going to click it. You're going to come down and click on All Apps. And then you're going to scroll down. And you're going to click on Clever. Once you click on Clever, hello, there it is. Click Login with Active Directory. Then scroll all the way down, and down at the bottom underneath where it says More Apps, one of the options is World Book Online. Click it, and click on Student. Since you're in the 5th grade, Student is the best fit for you. So you're going to click on Student, and then you're going to type in Garrett Morgan. And then you're going to click on them. And it gives you a little information about Garrett Morgan. Boys and girls, if you can't find information in the database for your person or in World Book, please talk to me and I'll try and help you find some resources. Please remember Wikipedia, it's a good place to start, but that should not be a source you use in your project because anyone, anywhere can add anything to it. So please make sure you're using these sites first. If you aren't finding what you need, please make sure to let me know. Thank you, and I wish you a lot of success on your project.